The project shown in this video can be found in the textbook Technical Drawing 101 with AutoCAD, available from SDC Publications. In this video, I want to show you how to use the rectangle command. There are several ways to invoke the command. One is to go over to the Draw toolbar and pick on this icon here, and that will get you into the command. Another way is to go up to the Draw panel and select the rectangle command up here. And another is to type REC and press enter. Any of these will work. I'm going to press escape and get out of that. So the way I'm going to get into the command is I'm going to come up here to the panel and select on the rectangle command. At that point, I'm prompted to specify the first corner for the rectangle. And what I'm going to do, I'm going to type in 2, 2, which is going to start the lower left-hand corner of my rectangle at absolute coordinate 2, 2. So I type in 2, 2 and I press enter. Now, it's kind of hard to tell where exactly that is, but here's my 0, 0 point where my UCS icon is, so my first corner of my rectangle. I can go in any direction I want, but what I'm going to do is I want to draw a rectangle that's 6 units on the x-axis and 4 on the y. So I'm going to type 6, 4 and press enter. Now, the reason that worked the way that it did is that I want to point something out to you. Down here on the status bar, I have dynamic input on. That's this icon here. And so let's look at that again real quick. I'm going to delete this out. I'm going to pick on rectangle from the Draw toolbar. For the first corner, I'm going to type 2, 2 and press enter. Now, that's my start point. If I wanted to go in a negative direction, I could type, for example, -3, -1, and it would go down and to the left, but I'm going to go up and to the right. This time I'm going to type 10, and you can see the 10 is being entered into the heads-up display that's right next to my cursor over here. And now I'm going to type 4, so I'm actually doing 10, 4 and then pressing enter. Alright, so I have a rectangle that's 10 units on the x and 4 on the y. And the key here is to have dynamic input on. If I don't have dynamic input on, I'm going to turn it off for just a second, and I do the same thing. I pick on rectangle and I type 2, 2 and press enter. If I want to draw the same rectangle I drew a second ago, that's 10, 4, I actually this time, because Dyn is off, have to do shift and the @ symbol and type 10, 4 and press enter. So when Dyn is off, I have to use the @ symbol before the 10, 4. When Dyn is on, I don't have to type @ and this is the way that we recommend as the authors of Technical Drawing 101 that you use this command, is with dynamic input on.